Hey, what is up, Avid Armor Fam? My name is Parker, and welcome to 60-Second Sealer Saturday, where we give you tips and tricks on all things vacuum sealing in 60 seconds on a Saturday with our vacuum sealers. When it comes to corn on the cob, even if you vacuum seal it, the corn will still continue to ripen and go bad. And that's why, to do it right, we have to blanch it. Let me show you how. We're gonna start by getting our corn and cutting off the ends. This makes shucking it so much easier. Then when your corn's nice and smooth, we're gonna bring a pot of water to a boil and pop the corn right in there. Popcorn. We're gonna boil it for 5 minutes, toss it around a bit, and then right after that, we're gonna toss it into an ice bath for another 5 minutes. After it's out and has had a little bit of time to dry, it's ready to be sealed. We're using our Avid Armor 11x50 rolls and our AVS 7900 vacuum sealer. And that's it, guys. It's ready to be sealed. This will last up to a year in your freezer. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button down below. Peace out, guys.